Students of Moscow Polytechnic University have created a prototype of interactive guide based on the cloud platform Autodesk Forge. The project involved the viewer. The manual consists of a product description, parts catalog, and disassembly instruction. The parts catalog contains a 3D viewer window with animation of disassembling the product into its components to identify required parts and interactive detailed part list table. You can easily print the illustrated parts catalog with a special button which adds parts numbers as annotation to the model. When you rotate or change the scale of the model, annotation changes their positions and the table keeps working. An important feature of the catalog is cross-references, to speed up the search for parts by their number. When the cursor hovers over an object, its data is highlighted in a table, and vice versa, if the cursor hovers over the part number, its associated part will be highlighted on the screen. The section with disassembly instruction contains an animation of disassembling the product. The current action is highlighted on the right side in action list. The extracted part is firstly highlighted, then smoothly removed, and after that disappears from the view. If necessary, you can stop or rewind the visual instruction and then continue watching it. This kind of interactive guide can reduce the number of errors when repairing or using the product.